Hi, it's Adrian. How are you doing today? And I'm back with a look with a palette that's new to me. And so I thought I'd go ahead and get started. I kind of started with more of a fresh girl face in mind, and it with the colors that were in the palette, it kind of changed. And then I wanted the shimmer to kind of match the eyes that were going more blue green, and so the shimmer is a gold green, and so it sort of took another turn. As far as what I'm using today, I went ahead and mixed the True Match C1 by L'Oreal and the Glossier, and this is their shade 4. This one is really peachy, and it's just a little bit too peachy for me. So I'd like to mix it with something to go ahead and, well, it's also really thick. I like the Glossier, but it is really thick. So it goes ahead and, thins it out a little bit, and it takes down some of the coverage a little bit. So, but both formulas are really good. And then as far as what I went ahead and did for the bronzer today, I went ahead and used the MAC and the Light Rosy Bronzer, so I have that one on. As far as what I did for the cheeks, I started off with the ColourPop Thanks, and then I added in a little bit of the Hourglass, and this is the darker palette that they came out with, and I mixed this blush and this blush together to get a rosy kind of look. And then as far as the highlighter, this Glamlite Scooby-Doo highlighter, it's a really cute one. And this particular highlighter is all glitter, and like I said, it's a gold green glitter, so it really goes with the eye look, and it would be really fun for a night out. It would be very, very sparkly for a night out. Oh, these things. Yeah, this is Cream of LA Cube. And these were in the ice cream box, and I just thought that they were so cute. It's a face cream and a lip cream. They actually came in 2 different months. But as far as packaging, isn't that just the cutest thing ever? So, I thought those were fun, and it was the month before in this month that they were in there. As far as my new palette, this one is a Nomad, and this is the Monteverde palette. So it's this one, and I've been wanting to go ahead and get it just for the cover art. So yeah, I did go ahead and pick it up. As far as what I have on today, I do have this one in the corner, or on the inner corner here. It goes really iridescent. And then I went ahead and did this one on the outer corner, a little bit of the purple in the crease, and a little bit of this one as well in the crease. As far as the eyeliner today, that's an Averill. And these are on Tinu if you're looking for them. I think they might be on Shein as well. But they're really good multi-chrome eyeliners, and they're not that expensive. As far as, oh, and the look. The other eyeliner that I used was the Handiyan. Yeah, and they're a great one. Then as far as the lips, let's see, the Joy Bright, and this is just a burgundy one. And then I used the Adept over the top. And yeah, it has, kind of darker look with a little bit of glitter. So, for a day where you're wanting to go ahead and be a little bit extra, it's kind of fun. Oh, as far as the powder, I actually got out my e.l.f. HD powder, and I mixed a little bit of Catrice with it to go ahead and do the finishing powder. And so that's what it kind of looked like. And so that's pretty much the video. I would go ahead and recommend all of these products. Love this packaging. This is one of the best designs ever. And let's see, I think that's the video, and I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you later.